Most tire shop owners think the biggest challenge is getting more customers today, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is that when someone suddenly needs tires, they don't remember your business. They remember someone else's. This is where most tire shops lose sales without even realizing it. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why the businesses that stay visible all year win more customers, even if they aren't the cheapest. Stick around, because one simple mindset shift could completely change how you market your tire shop. Here's something no one talks about. People don't wake up thinking about buying tires. They only think about them when they get a puncture, fail an MOT, or notice worn tires before winter. That means you're not competing for today's sale. You're competing for a future decision that could happen weeks or even months from now. Imagine two tire shops in the same town. One only advertises when business is slow. The other regularly shares tire tips, customer reviews, seasonal advice, and stays active in the local community. Months later, someone gets a flat tire. Which business comes to mind first? Usually, it's the one they've seen before. Familiarity beats obscurity. This is where most people mess up. They assume customers always choose the cheapest option. In reality, people often choose the business they recognize and trust. Familiarity reduces uncertainty, especially when they need help quickly. So, how do you build that familiarity? It doesn't require a huge marketing budget. Share useful Facebook posts instead of constant sales pitches. Send seasonal reminders before winter. Email helpful maintenance tips. Sponsor a local event. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Every small interaction keeps your business in people's minds. Let me ask you something. If someone in your area needed new tires today, would they remember your business? Or would they search for whoever appears first? Be honest. The answer tells you how visible your business really is. Don't skip this part because it's one of the biggest mistakes tire shops make. They market when they're quiet and stop when they're busy. That creates a cycle where leads dry up, forcing them to start all over again. The strongest businesses market consistently because trust is built through repetition, not random promotions. Think about the brands you remember. You probably see them regularly, even when you're not planning to buy from them. That's exactly how local tire marketing works. So here's what you can do starting today. Stay visible every week. Share something helpful, not just promotional. Collect and display customer reviews. Stay active in your community. Keep your branding consistent across your vans, social media, and website. These small actions add up over time. Comment below with one word, consistent. Or tell us what's been the biggest challenge when marketing your tire shop. Your experience might help another business owner. At the end of the day, customers don't think about tires very often. But when they finally do, your business should be the first name that comes to mind. Stay visible, stay helpful, stay consistent. That's how trust is built, and trust brings customers through your door. If you enjoy practical marketing advice that actually works for tire businesses, subscribe and join us for more episodes designed to help your business grow without the fluff. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.